Brett Waller, and this is my final project for MGMT 330. So here, as you see, we have the speaker shop. This is the home page, aka final.aspx. There is a little bit of intro information explaining what the app is for and the use that it accomplishes. Down here you'll see that I've inserted the ASP grid to include the chart and the headers for each column. Down here are the required links for the page, where you have add speaker, aka create, retrieve, update entry, and delete entry. So from here we can actually go and add a speaker. Let's just say a QSC series K2. There is input handling throughout, so as you will see. So K2. The model, let's just say K212. And a type, this would be a self-powered 12-inch, let's just say loudspeaker for simplicity's sake. Max SPL output, pretty standard measure of a speaker's power, so let's just say that's 134. And the cost, QSCs are relatively expensive. I'm just going to go ahead and say it's 800 for this 12-inch speaker. And there's also a place where people can put in reviews. So let's just say this is an awesome, high quality loudspeaker. They have up to 150 characters to write the review through the input handling on this part. We can go ahead and insert, everything works, and there's a link back to the home. So this is the retrieve page titled entries. I liked the look of the chart once again with the headers and actually having a separation of columns just to be clear about everything and what it actually is talking about. From there we have update entry, and we can go and choose any of them. I have a testing one in here, so we could go change pretty much anything about it, make it a 776 and type testing retest. Can put pretty much anything that I figured was needed through input handling for the types of entries. And I don't know, let's just put a few more exclamation marks. Can go ahead and update. As you'll see, everything updated, the retest, a few more exclamation marks. There's up to 7 inputs, or decimal places, not decimal places, integer places for the input on the cost. Some loudspeakers can be relatively expensive. Again, we have a link back to the home page. I think I skipped over this, but just to show that the retrieve link from here does work to go straight to the entries page. Back to home. And then we also have a delete entry section where entry can go in and be deleted. If this app was more realistic than the course had required, this would be a section that would just be standard for administrators under the type of app that I've created and the description enclosed with it. And there we go. There's aesthetics. It all looks good, and I feel like I'm very proud of the outcome of it. Thank you again for everything that we've learned throughout the course. It's been an awesome experience.